Alright, hello guys, my name is Nurul Syifa Binti Hasbullah, and today I'm going to show you guys on how to use C# in Unity.
We have a cube here and we have a few sphere, okay, and a plane that we're going to see. And this one we have the view for the camera. Yeah, alright, see in the game you can see the camera view. Okay, you can change it from a few angles. Okay, so this is my cube. It's like a vehicle that we want to move it forward like this one. So we are going to have a C# coding to move it like this, automatically of course. And this is the obstacles that I've already created. Obstacles 1, obstacles 2, and obstacles 3. Okay, so how it will look like, it will be like this. I'll click play and it will show you guys how it moves. It may take a long time. There it is. Okay, so where I have this one, where we put it is in player controller. Wait for a minute. This is the files, the coding that I use. Okay, this is the declaration for the files. I mean the files here should be the same in as player controller.cs. And we can see here in void update we have vector3.forward times with time delta time and 10 here times 10. Alright, the 10 here is the speed actually. We can change the speed. If we have 30, then the speed will be faster. And for right now, I just put it as 10, so you not go as fast as it could be. If you have it 30, you can see it will be like this. Let me click play. You see the plane there? I mean the vehicles. I put the coding in the vehicles. See? It moves so fast that it cannot run into the obstacles. So we don't want that. So we're going to change it into 10. This is where the part is going forward. Okay, so that's it for the controller, player controller. If I don't want it to move, I'll just go back. I'll just remove the player control and it won't move at all. Here I click on the cube and the vehicles. Okay, so we have this one. Oh, before that, actually, we put rigid body in the cube. We have the mass here. Suppose the mass to be bigger than the mass of the obstacles, because this one is going to move forward and longer everything in front of it. Okay, so it has to be a higher mass than the obstacles. Alright, so I'm going to move this one. I'm going to remove remove the component, the player control, because I want to put this C sharp latihan exercise 1 script. Okay, let me show you first what is in the latihan. The public class latihan must be the same as you put it. You have to declare the class as the same. Okay, so now I already declare what is mark A and what is mark B. So if we have the number, we need to put integer. That is the basic. So we want to have this output. So we need to put it in start. Integer total marks A plus marks B, and we'll show you guys on the total. Okay, so I will run it. I'll run it because I already put it in the queue here. I've already pasted it. Just drag it, and then I click play, and then we can see it in the component. Where is my data? Consoler. Yeah, here's console. Then we have total 14 engine debug log. So this is the output, total 14. Okay, so wait now, I'll just put it. I'll just gonna put the console here. Yeah, so it's easier for us to see. I'm going to clear it, and I'll just play it again. There we have total 14. We can also have we need to pause it. You can also drag the player control into script. We can have two scripts, and then we click play. You can see the cube will run over the obstacles, and still we can have we also have the run, and at the same time we have the output here. Okay, so the second one I'm going to show you guys on the other exercise. Just remove the component, and I'll show you on the latihan 2. Here I have latihan 2 here, and I'm going to put it as public integer mark A and B, and I'm going to clarify what is marks A and marks B and put it as a total. Show it here. Okay, let me clear it first, and then I just queue. We already put it there. So here is the declaration of marks A and marks B. I'm going to put it as 10, marks B as 5, and I'll click play. I will see the output here and in console. As long as we have the player controller to move it in front. And there we have 10 times 5. 10 times 5 of 10 plus 5. Wait. Oh, I look at it. There. Marks A plus marks B, so it's 10 plus 5. Okay, so we're going to clear it. This one we put it as public. Before this, we just declare integer marks A and B, and we already declare what is the integer here. So the difference here is we have public, this one already declared. Okay, so the third one, I'll just remove first latihan 2 script, and we are going to have latihan 3. Here we have latihan 3, and make sure your file is the same name as your class. We put it also in public, marks A and marks B, and we put it as in range 1 until 5 as marks C. So we have marks A, marks B, and marks C. A plus B times C. So we have the total. We're going to have the total in the console. Alright, so I'll just drag it in cube like this. So we declare marks A. Right, we are going to declare marks A as 15. This one as 10. Marks C, we can have 3. So 15 plus 10 times 3. So we're going to run it. Okay, we have 75. Alright. So that's all. That's all for today. You know how to put the material, right? Material color like this. You just make a new material. Create first the material. Yeah, material like this. To change the color. Material. Oh, wait. Just put it as obstacles. And we can change the color. Here the color is, oh sorry, I'm going to change it in green. This is the gray color. Okay, so we have green. We drag it there. We are going to have 3 green obstacles. Yes. Change it. Change. Okay. So, like that. Okay. So if you guys didn't know how to add the script, we create C# script here. There. For example, latihan 4. Latihan 4. So we just double click and it will show in here to edit, so you can do it inside of Visual Studio. So that's all guys. Here is the basic C#.
Alright. I hope you guys enjoy.